White Cat, always so bright, helping the animals day and night. Little bunny cried, ouch, oh no, don't you worry, I'll fix that, here we go. Meow, 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 don't be afraid. A little care and you'll be okay. Meow, 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 you're not alone. Dr. White Cat will help you at home. Little bear sneezed, achoo, oh dear. Dr. White Cat said, no worries here. Plumma puppy fell down, scraped his knee. Let's clean it up, you'll be fine. Trust me, every day a brand new case. Helping friends all over the place. From the forest to the town, Dr. White Cat is always around. Meow, 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 don't be afraid.
Do not poke the beehive.